Morning children, welcome back to the English class. In the last class we have learnt about three great persons who are disabled. They proved that disability is not an obstacle for success. They also proved that nothing is impossible in this world if one is ready to hard work. So in this today's class we learn about that A reading, that is attitude is altitude. A reading, attitude is altitude. So what is attitude is altitude? Attitude is the positive attitude of yours can take you to the heights of this world. So this is attitude is an inspirational story of a disabled person, that is Nicola James. Nick, which is it? Nicola James. Nick Vujicic. So he stands as inspiration to many people in this world for his great qualities like faith, determination, dedication, and his willpower. So his life has proved that disability cannot stop a person what he wants to do. Cannot stop a person that what he wants to do. So Nick Vujicic was born on December 4 in 1982, that is in Melbourne, Australia. He is an Australian. Nick Vujicic is an Australian Christian evangelist. He is a motivational speaker also. So he was born without limbs. So with a rare disability that is called phocomelia. Phocomelia means the absence of four limbs. Limbs means hands and legs. Absence of four limbs. So he was born without arms and legs. Arms means hands. With a rare disability, that is phocomelia, that means it is characterized by the absence of four limbs. So despite having the no limbs, so he can play football, golf, he can swim and surf. Despite means despite having no limbs, he can play golf and football. Despite means even though, in spite of, even though no limbs, he can play football, golf. He can also swim and surf. He can swim and surf. Surf means riding on waves. Riding on waves on surfboard. He can play golf with the heavy sticks tucked under his chin. You can see the picture also. Here this is Nick Vujicic. he was born without arms and legs. See, he can play golf with a heavy stick tucked under his chin. So this is golf he is playing with a heavy stick tucked under his chin. Next you can see his family, Nick Vujicic family. So you can see his wife and his 4 kids.
Pictures malla munduku vachundu.
So he is
ఒక నిమిషం నేను చెప్తాను. ఇక్కడైతే క్లియర్ కనబడుతున్నాయి ఇక్కడ వరకు.
He is Nick Vujicic, born without arms and legs. You can see also his family. See Nick Vujicic, his wife and his 4 kids. See, he is playing even though he don't have arms, he is playing golf with a heavy stick tucked under his chin and playing the golf. See this picture, he is typing with his small foot. He has a small foot on the left hip. He has a small foot on the left hip. Left hip means it is a projection of the pelvis and the thigh bone. So he has small foot. He used to call it as chicken drumstick. This small foot, he used to call it as chicken drumstick. Do you know, children, what is chicken drumstick? You love it, no? Chicken drumstick. Chicken drumstick means it is the lower part of the leg of a chicken that is cooked and eaten as food. Chicken drumstick. That means lower part of the leg of a chicken. Chicken that is cooked and eaten as food. Eaten as food. So this small food he used to call it as a chicken drumstick. With this small food he can type. He can type and write with a pen or pencil. He can type with this small foot. You can see in the picture. See, he is typing. He is typing with his small foot between his toes, and he also pick up things between his toes. So he uses the small foot. He uses for balance and enables him to kick. Small foot is used to balance and enables him to kick, and enables him to kick. And he also uses his small foot to type and write with a pen or pencil between his toes. Next coming. So his parents, he gave a shock to his parents when he was born without arms and legs. So they were shocked. His father shocked and left the hospital room. His mother could not bring herself to hold him until he was 4 months old. Next, his parents joined him in. Generally, the disabled people will parents will join in the special school, but Nick joined in the mainstream school only. Their parents decided to join him in the mainstream school. Mainstream school means general school. General school, that is normal school. Though he is disabled, they joined him in mainstream school only, despite having the risk of humiliation. Next, at the age of 8 months, his father, at the age of 8 months, his father gave a courage to him and learned how to swim He gave courage and learned how to swim. How to swim by putting him in water at the age of 8 months. Next, at the age of 6 years, his father taught him how to type. And his mother invented a special plastic device to hold a pen or pencil. His mother invented a special plastic device. To hold a pen or pencil. So at the age of 8 years, he was deeply depressed. Nick was deeply depressed, and he went to his mom and said that he wanted to kill himself. He wanted to kill himself for giving the structure like that. He hated God. At the age of 8 years, he was deeply depressed. And at the age of 10 years, he wanted to end his life by drowning in water. In a bathtub, but that attempt was unsuccessful. He wanted to drown in a bathtub, but his attempt was unsuccessful. And next, at the age of 13 years, he read a newspaper article. About another disabled person who achieved great things and helped others. So he realized and understood that why God had given him that structure. So at the age of 13 years, he read a newspaper article. person. Disabled person who achieved great things. Who achieved great things. So he realized and understood that to give hope to others. In 1990, he won the Australian Citizen Year of the Award. He won the Australian Citizen Year of the Award. He won the Australian Citizen Year of the Award for his bravery and perseverance. Do you know, children, what is meant by perseverance? Perseverance means achieving the great things despite having the difficulties. Perseverance means achieving great things despite having difficulties. Next, in 2008, he went to Hawaii to train surfing. To train surfing. In surfing. Surfing means, I told you, riding on waves, on a surfboard. So he went to Hawaii in 2008 to train in surfing. His master is Bethany Hamilton. Whose arm is bitten off by a shark. So he was a motivational speaker. He traveled all over 24 countries. And spoke to 110,000 people. Finally, he gave a message. To people, that is, if I fail, I try again and again and again. If you fail, are you ready to try again? So this was the message given by Nick Vujicic. If I fail, I try again and again. If you fail, are you ready to try? Are you ready to keep on trying until we reach the goal. Until reach the goal. He also tells that keep on getting up when they fall. He also tells the people that keeps on getting up, keep on getting up when they fall. When they fall, and always to love themselves. Always to love themselves. So what was the message given by Nick Vijay? If I fail, I try again and again. If you fail, are you ready to try again until reach the goal? He also tells the people keep on getting up when they fall and always to love themselves. This was the message given by the Nick Vijay. So children, I think you understand this. Attitude is altitude. Now today's assignment. So what do you understand by this, children? So disability is not an obstacle for success. Assignment. What do you learn from the life of Nick Vijay? What do you learn from the life of Nick Vijay? And the next question, what was the message given by Nick Vijay? So children, try to answer these two questions.